YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Elite Eli, and I'm back again with another video. And as you guys can see, I'm in my room this time, but I just want to come and show my face and let you guys know why, like, where have I been, why I've been missing for so long, and what's going on in my life. So stay tuned. As some of you guys may know, I had a daughter recently. My daughter is 4 months. So like, I've been busy, doctor visits, christening, parties, and all these stuff I've been back and forth running with. And also dealing with summer, COVID, and like, things have changed. So that's the reason why like, I took a break from waving. Not really a break from waving, but a break from making videos. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm back. I'm gonna be making videos more frequently now. I'm gonna try to upload videos every single week, and also still go live like I do normally. I'm gonna try and give you guys 3 to 4 videos a week, and still go live around 2 to 3 times a week. I know it's hard, like, with what I got going on in my day-to-day life, but I'm gonna try to give you guys that. I just want to let you guys know though, even though I stopped making videos for a little bit, I'm still a waver. I'm still waving. I'm still brushing. It's just hard because I had a daughter in summertime. As you know, coarse hair wavers, our hair really curls up a lot in the summer. So, and we had a hot summer. My hair was curling up almost every day. I lost some progress, but I'm starting to gain it back slowly. So that's basically it, you guys. I just want to let you guys know where I've been, what I've been doing, what I've been up to. I'm gonna just unrag. You guys can see this fire pink silky. You can get this from swagrag.com. I'll put the coupon code up here, and the link is always in the description. So I'm just gonna unrag right now, show you guys how I'm looking, and then I'm gonna get a quick session. You can see I did lose some progress, a little bit, but it's all good. When you're a waver, once you get your hair trained, you get your pattern in, you don't really lose your waves. You may lose some progress, but the waves is still there. I'm telling you. You guys see how I'm dipping. Anyway, you guys, I'm just gonna get a little light session. If you guys got a brush, go pick it up and brush with me, as always. I'm gonna be using this Torino Pro right here, medium brush. Let's go. that was just a little light session just to lift up my hair, because you know my hair was ragged up and it was tied down, so your hair is laid down. So what you guys want to do when you first unrag for the day, don't just like take products and just cake up your hair and then start brushing. You want to get like a medium or a medium soft and just get a little light session just to lift up your hair first. Lift up your hair, you know, get the blood flowing, and you know, lift up your hair, and then you can add your products and go on a lengthy session. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add some oil, because my hair is already moisturized. I just need, you know, it's just a little dry right now. Even though it don't look dry, I could feel it. It's just a little dry. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of oil. Remember, oils go a long way. Just add a little bit of oil and then go on a session. So, and what you would do is, I recommend when you put the oil, just put a few drops, 3 to 4 drops is good. And when you rub it in, just make sure you rub it in real good before you get a session. I would recommend when you're using oils or like, you know, any kind of products, you want to make sure you rub it in real good, and then you want to get a good session. Since my hair was already laid down, as you can see, it's already laid, I'm just going to rub this in good and get a nice medium soft session in. Because you know, soft brushes is better to distribute the products evenly in your hair. Always remember that, you guys. So just get a little soft brush, or like if you're woofing like me, a medium soft brush is gonna feel like a soft brush. So get a medium soft brush if you're woofing. If you're not woofing, you could just use a regular soft brush. Make sure you rub the product in real good with your hands before brushing. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brush right here. This is a medium soft. You see how the bristles is real long? Now this is a medium soft, but it does have pull. This is a Torino Pro 1556. Because you guys always ask me about this brush, what's my favorite brush? You guys always ask about this brush when I go live. This is my favorite brush. I might just get another one just cause. Torino Pro 1556. It's a medium soft. As you can see, these bristles are longer than normal bristles. Because this is another Torino Pro. This is a medium. You see how the bristles is short? And this is a medium soft. Look how much longer the bristles are. So this is a medium soft, but with good pull. So what I'm gonna do is just get a good session with this and then rag up. It's very simple. So, you know, again, you guys, if you have a brush, you could pick it up and brush for me. Here's a tip for you guys if you guys don't do this already. After you apply the products, just use some hand sanitizer or wash your hands. You know, if you're in the bathroom, just wash your hands with soap or use some hand sanitizer, because your hands is gonna be really greasy or oily, and you know, that's gonna make the brush slip. So just, you know, just use some hand sanitizer or wash your hands with water and soap, and then you're good to go. As you can see, the products is in good. You see the tea tree oil added a little shine to my hair. So now I'm just gonna go crazy with the session. I'm probably gonna get about a 20-minute session. Not too crazy, but it's good enough. I'll probably get about a 20-minute session, rag up, and then I'm good to go. Now, when I was going live on YouTube, you guys, in almost every live, I had somebody ask me, how do you brush the top corners? Meaning the top left and the top right. I vertical brush. Vertical brushing helps you break forks. It helps your sides connect better. So I will be doing a video on that soon, you guys, on how to vertical brush. and the benefits of vertical brushing. Alright, you guys, it's about 20 to 30 minutes later, and as you can see, my hair is very laid down. It feels nice and good, feels moisturized, real silky. Here's it laid down. As you can see, there's only a few hairs sticking up. If you want, you guys, when you see those hairs sticking up like that and you really want them loose hairs to lay down, you can use the plastic bag method, or you can use the lay down G and just lay it down. But I'm not gonna do that just because the do-rag is gonna do that anyway, so I'm not really gonna do that right now. But I would recommend that you guys do that if you really care about those loose hairs sticking up. My hair is really trained to lay down, so they're not really sticking up like that right now. Not a lot. It's only a little bit, so I'm just gonna rag up. And as always, you guys know where to get these do-rags at by now. You get these from swagrag.com. Got some of the best silky do-rags in the wave game right now. Don't believe me? You could go to their website, you could go to their IG page, Swagrag Official, and you'll see. It's not just do-rags they have on that website too. They got bonnets, designer bonnets, the same company got designer bonnets, do-rags, brushes, combs, wash brushes, crown brush, everything you need. You get them from swagrag.com. Use my coupon code for a discount for 15% off. And that's basically it, you guys. So like I said, you guys, I will be posting more frequently. I will be uploading more videos, going live more. I will be going live more. And also, you guys can comment down in the section and let me know what you guys want. If you want, shorter videos where I get straight to the point, or longer videos where I, do longer brush sessions. I talk more in the videos, and like just go through stuff step by step for beginners, and also the experts too, that just need, like a little help, because you're never too old or never too experienced to learn something new. Even though I'm a real experienced waver, I still, learn new stuff from time to time. So it's always good to learn new stuff. So you guys, let me know what you guys want, shorter videos or longer videos. You guys can comment that down. And as always, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and just stay wavy.